Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. Today in the morning I had a lesson with one of my students. We were working on present tense, the usage of objects, and he told me, why do we say as mala mazin dibinem, like I see the big house, but why do we say as ve male dibinem? Mala mazin, mal takes a, mala mazin, but ve male it takes a, so why? So I said it's a perfect question. So of course it's about oblique and about Ezafe, right? So in Kumanji, when you have to link two words to each other, it can be a noun, adjective, noun, possessive, right? So in this case, you have to check your gender. When it is Ezafe, we call this link Ezafe. For feminine, it is a, and for masculine, it is a, right? So you say mala min, or bajare min masculine, and gunde min, bave min, pertuka min, telefona min, conversa min, okay? That's why in the present you say as mala mazin dibinem, as bave khod dibinem, bave min braye khod dibine, okay? But if you don't have any possessive, or if you don't have any adjective with your noun, so your noun should be in oblique case to show that it is your object, okay, in the present tense. So in this case, endings will change. So for feminine, it will become a, so that's why we say as male dibinem, not as mala dibinem, okay? As male dibinem, I see the house. Of course, you can say as maleke dibinem to say I see a house, okay? And if you want to say I see this house, so it will be as ve male dibinem, okay? As ve male dibinem. So we even change these determiner, these demonstrative adjectives, pronouns according to gender, okay? Ve for feminine, mesela ve jene, ve keçe, ve male, ve pertuke, ve computere, ve telefone, okay? That's why as mala mazin dibinem there is adjective, but as ve male dibinem. And for masculine, oblique ending is e. That's why you have to say as vi bajari dibinem, as vi gundi dibinem, okay? As vi meri dibinem. It is all about gender and the form of object, if it is Ezafe or oblique. So don't forget, if there is possessive and adjective, it should be Ezafe. But if there isn't any adjective or pronouns, like possessive pronouns, it will be just oblique form, okay? So, and for plural, of course, plural are also important. When it is Ezafe, you say as telefonen nu dibinem, as keçiken hoşik dibinem, as jinen dalal dibinem, as meren şerin dibinem, okay? And if it is oblique, you will add an at the end of your object, okay? As jinan dibinem, as meran dibinem, as zarokan dibinem, as van zarokan dibinem. I see these kids. So you see, for oblique, when you want to add these, like these, that, these, those, the endings are the same with your object. Van zarokan, van meran, ve pertuke, vi bajari, ve keçe, ve jne, okay? So be careful when you create the sentence. Think if you have a pronoun, like possessive pronoun or adjective, and then add your ending, okay? By the way, for those who are interested in Kurdish language courses, we are starting a new course. It will start in 2 days. It will be 2 months long, and there will be 24 lessons. And you will improve your speaking, comprehension, like listening, grammar, writing, reading skills. It's for beginners, and for those who know some basic and want to improve their skills, there is pre-intermediate course. and it will start in 5 or 6 days. So for all 4 courses, you can just send me an email, KurdishLessons2019@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Have a perfect week.